With all the chefs, it's simply beautiful to me. It's something beautiful. The way you walk, it's more than the physical. You're supernatural, and when you talk, your words like a miracle to me. You're so unbelievable. The way you grab my hair, something beautiful.
Hey mamacita, can I get your name? Cause ever since I saw you, it ain't been the same. I mean, I got this feeling and it ain't easy to explain. Can't get you off my mind and it's driving me insane. That European accent, those blue eyes. Can I make you mine? Make me one of those few guys who's lucky to be waking up to the beautiful you. Deep in your eyes, it's a beautiful view. Can I get your address? Write you a letter sometime. Pardon me, I meant your number, forgot we ahead of time. Got me acting like a teenager in front of the mirror. Like, is this picture getting any clearer? I keep falling, it reminds me of my first steps. And since you got a class, what's your favorite subject? And I keep smiling for no reason, ready to abide to your terms and conditions.
You're something beautiful. With all the chefs, it's simply beautiful to me. It's something beautiful. The way you walk, it's more than the physical. You're supernatural, and when you talk, your words like a miracle to me. You're so unbelievable. The way you grab my hair, something beautiful.
Grab a towel and about to shower you with love. That hello tells me you've been sent from above. And you sound like you've just had enough. But don't you think it's time to pick the broken pieces up? Look, I'll be lying if I say I ain't gonna make you cry. But what I can promise is that I'm gonna try to always put a smile on your pretty face and respect it whenever you need your breathing space. If only you could see through my eyes how beautiful it's gonna be when the sun rises. Looking up the sky every night the sun dies. With you by my side feels like in paradise. Cause I'm always spending time with an angel. It's like a Wi-Fi, how we connect with no cable. I'm in love with somebody. She says she loves me, but I know she got somebody. But if it's meant to be, then it's gonna be. Don't mind kissing couple frogs to get to my destiny. Before the chorus comes in, you're all I need. I pray every day you be the mother of my kid.
You're something beautiful. With all the chefs, it's simply beautiful to me. It's something beautiful. The way you walk, it's more than the
physical to me.
You're supernatural, and when you talk, your words like a miracle to me. You're so unbelievable. The way you grab my hair,
something beautiful.
Baby, baby,
baby, baby.
You're something beautiful.
It's something beautiful.
Baby, baby,
baby, baby.
Beautiful to me.
Beautiful to me.